How to use the formula in table in Microsoft Word. If you have still any kind of confusion about that, you can watch this video until the last and you will know about how can you use the formula in Microsoft Word table. So hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So here is my computer screen, and first of all I'll insert the table. Okay, just wait for a moment. From here I am using a table from here. Okay, so I'll just make it like this: 1 5 7 4 3 7. Just wait for a moment. 6 7 5 4 3. Okay, 3 4 5 7 2 4 6 2 3 8 7. Okay, just wait for a moment. 4 5 6 3 2 1. Okay, now if you want to use the formula in Microsoft Word, it's too much easy. You can use the formula in two ways. Okay, first of all, you can directly use by typing some formulas like in Microsoft Excel's, or you can use the table tools option also. There is also inbuilt functions available to use formula in your table. So now you can see there is two curly brackets available inside my table, right? So you have to use the equal like in the Excels, and if you want to sum, then just you have to type sum sum, then just type bracket open, and you have to count your table, right, like in the Excels. So if you count the your column, then it should be 1 2 it should be A B C D E F like this, right? And if you want to count your rows, it should be 1 2 3 4 like this, right? Same like in the Excels. So the first cell's name should be A1. Oh, just wait for a minute. I should to click here, and it should be A1. Okay, and the colon, then you have to make it 1 2 3 4. It means A4, right? A4, and you have to close the bracket and just press the F9 button again. Now you can see it's giving you the result, right? So this is the one method. Okay, and now I'm going to talk about the second method. So for this, just you have to go in the layout. Okay, and from here you have to go to in formula, and now you can see there it's telling me that it's equal to sum, then above. Okay, and if I click in the OK, now you can see the result here. Okay, so now you can see this is the proper method to use formula in Microsoft Word table. So if you want to calculate all the sums in the cells, so how can you do that? It's also too much easy. So just you have to type Ctrl plus F9. Okay, equal to sum and bracket open, just type left. Okay, and the bracket close and press F9 again. Now you can see it's calculating all the left side numbers, right? Okay, so this is the another type of methods. So now let's count how many numbers here. So just use count, bracket open, and just count left. Okay, and the bracket close, then press the F9 button again. Now you can see it's telling me that there is 5 numbers. Okay, so let's count 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so if you want to count the if you want to check the maximum number, so just press Ctrl plus F9 and equal to sum, not sum, it's max, and bracket open and make it left and bracket close and enter. oh sorry, not enter, just press the F9. Now you can see it's telling me that the maximum number is 8. Okay, so if you want to count the minimum number, just press Ctrl plus F9, equal to min and left and bracket close and press F9. Now you can see the minimum number is 2, right? So you can use the formula in your Microsoft Word table in these ways, in these two ways. Okay, so this is the one of the perfect method. But if you want to calculate in the middles, okay, just wait for a moment. So now you can see here is a blank, right? So if you want to calculate your above numbers and the below numbers, so how can you do that? In this case, just you have to press Ctrl plus F9 and just type equal to sum bracket open and just type above comma and below. Okay, this, and then just close the bracket, then press F9. Now you can see the result. This is the amazing feature, right? So if you are working in the table, it is the one of the best methods. So now here also, if you want to count, okay, just press Ctrl plus F9 and count. Okay, above and comma and below. Okay, and bracket close and press F9. Now you can see it's giving you the result, right? There is 4 numbers available, it's telling me like that. Okay, so if you want to sum here the left side numbers, so in this time what to do, just press Ctrl plus F9, then press is equal to sum bracket open left bracket close, then press F9 button. Now you can see the result, 36 plus 4 is equal to 40, right? So now if you want to sum the left side numbers, so in this time what should do, sorry, Ctrl plus F9 equal to sum bracket open right, okay, and bracket close, then press F9 button. Now you can see the total sum 36 plus 40 plus 8 is equal to 76. It's telling like that. So hoping that you get clear how can you use the formula in Microsoft Word table. If you have still any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment sections. That's it. Hoping that you understand to use formula in Microsoft Word table, and still if you have any kind of doubt about this video, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll try to give answer of your questions. So thank you so much for watching this video once again. I'll meet with you on another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again.